Hey guys, it is Miss Jackson here, and obviously I'm in our classroom. As you can tell, it is very empty. I miss you guys, but I'm making this video to just kind of go over all of the directions verbally with you all. So I have the directions over here. You'll kind of see me looking back and forth just so I can make sure that I'm telling you all everything correctly, but I wanted to make this video so that you all can kind of hear me explain everything as opposed to just trying to read everything that I had written. So you will be able to submit all assignments either by typing them and submitting them into Google Classroom, or by taking pictures of them or scanning them into a computer and sending them to my school email, or through Remind 101. So those are all the options. Every assignment will be due the next day. So if it is assigned for Monday, it will be due on Tuesday. If it's assigned on Tuesday, it'll be due on Wednesday, and so forth, things like that. So on Monday, you are going to be working on your rewrite for your Optimist Club piece. So that means that you have feedback. I graded some, Miss Vaughn had graded some, and Miss Thomas has also graded some. And so all of your pieces should have feedback on them. As you go through, if you have a question, I need you to take a picture or a video of the paper with the feedback and what you have written, so that I can actually see it, and then you need to also explain your question. So you can either take a picture of it, you can video it and explain it to me verbally. Either one of those is fine, but I have to be able to see what was written on your paper and what you're confused about. So let's go over rewriting, okay? When you are doing your rewrite, you need to think final push, okay? We are perfecting. Even though we are at home and working from home, we are still going to push. We are not going to let those people up there in on-demand land think that they have won. So what I want you to do, you have time, okay? You need to take your time to do your rewrite. Use your best handwriting. It says penmanship on the directions. Penmanship and handwriting are synonyms. They mean the same thing. Use your best penmanship. This is the perfect time to work on word spacing. This is the perfect time to work on writing smaller if you need to. I think I put a note on here somewhere, or not on the directions, on some specific papers it says you need to be aware of how much space that you're given. So you need to work on word spacing, you need to work on writing smaller if you need to, or you need to work on writing bigger if you need to. And Monday's video, the directions for Monday's video and Monday's assignment, will kind of talk a little bit more about that. The mini lesson for Monday. Think about your audience. So who is your audience? Is your writing clear and complete? Would your audience have questions? Stop and think. If I did not write this, if I was not the one who had written this, would this make sense to me? Would I have questions after reading it? So that's what you need to think about. And also, is everything that you've written on topic? So that just means, is everything clearly connected to what the prompt wanted it to be connected to? And does it make sense? Now, Tuesday, after completing your rewrite, I have given everybody an activity based on their area of growth. So they're all going to be different. However, in the assignment for Tuesday in Google Classroom, all three, there was 3 different ones, okay? All 3 you will be able to find within that assignment. Most of them are PDFs, so that means that you cannot edit them. So you can either print them out or do it on your own sheet of paper and just kind of number. Okay, here's what number 1 said. It said first comma, blah, blah, blah. Just kind of write all of that down, okay? Because you will not be able to edit it. Again, all of these are going to be different for everybody. Again, if you have a question, send it through email, send it through Remind, send it through Google Classroom. I'm able to see on Google Classroom and help you with that. There will be videos of me going over every single activity. There will be videos, in that same video, I will be doing examples. So you need to watch those videos before you complete your activity. And then you can also obviously replay it as you go through your activity. On Wednesday, you will have a second activity that I have given to you based on your area of growth, okay? So it's going